Hi guys, we're going to be grading 11-3, which is classroom practice 52, and you'll see it on the screen as well. Let's look at exercise 1. Number 1 is pattern 4, my PPA, grandmother SN, parentheses, from he, Memphis, OP, parentheses, slash, is, LV, the A, best, ADJ, cook, predicate noun, parentheses, NP, the A, world, OP, parentheses, D. Number 2 is pattern 4, parentheses on P, the A, weekends, OP, parentheses, on the weekend should be underlined twice. My PPA, mom, SN, my mom, underlined once. Slash is, LV, A, clerk, predicate noun, parentheses, at P, the A, supermarket, OP, parentheses, NP, town, OP, parentheses, is to town is underlined twice. D at the end. Moving on to exercise 2. Number 1, senator should be underlined. S, rule 1, senator, apostrophe S, senator's wife. 2, boss should be underlined. Singular, rule 1, bosses, BOSS, apostrophe S, boss's phone. 3, students should be underlined. Plural, rule 2, students with an apostrophe after the S, students' desks. Number 4, Williams should be underlined, plural, rule 2, and there should be an apostrophe after the S, Williams' boys. 5, keyboard should be underlined, singular, rule 1, keyboard, apostrophe S, keyboard's keys. 6, men should be underlined, plural, rule 3, men, apostrophe S, men's meeting. 7, teachers should be underlined, plural, rule 2, teachers, and apostrophe after the S, teachers' jobs. 8, children should be underlined, plural, rule 3, children, apostrophe S, children's job, or toys. Number 9, wife, apostrophe S, and wives, WIVES, apostrophe. 10, snake, apostrophe S, and then snakes, SNAKES, apostrophe. 11, jockey, apostrophe S, and then jockeys, JOCKEYS, apostrophe. 12, mouse, apostrophe S, and then mices, MICE, apostrophe S. 13, patio, apostrophe S, and then patios, PATIOS, apostrophe. 14, foot, apostrophe S, and feet, FEET, apostrophe S. 15, calf, apostrophe S, and calves, CALVES, apostrophe. 16, bench, apostrophe S, and then benches, BENCHES, apostrophe. You should have done exercise 3 with your teachers. We're going to go ahead and skip that section, but if you need to pause and double check, you can pause this video now. And then looking at exercise 4, quotation marks, capital G, George, comma, quotation marks, his mother answered with a, not an, glint in her eye, comma. Quotation marks, capital I, don't, apostrophe T, mind you're going swimming, comma, but capital I, don't, apostrophe T, think you will have time, period. Capital T, the yard still has not been mowed, comma, and the yard is not are your responsibility, period, quotation marks. Capital G, George replied, comma, quotation marks, capital D, don't, apostrophe T, worry, comma, capital M, mom, period, capital I, apostrophe LL, I'll be back in plenty of time, period. Capital T, there's, apostrophe S, a capital T, capital V, special on tonight, TONIGHT, that capital A, Andy, comma, capital S, Steve, comma, and capital I have been dying to see, SEE, period. Capital I, apostrophe LL, I'll mow the yard this afternoon, and still have plenty of time to get cleaned up before the movie, period, quotation marks. After you finish watching this video and scoring, put the score at the top and then go ahead and enter it on the Microsoft Forms and the Assignments tab.